Kishu's team just dropped this bombshell tweet showing their plan for the first time on making a new token in the Kishu ecosystem. What is this plan about? Why is this such a huge announcement for Kishu holders? And what does this mean for the future of Kishu Inu? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so massive news just dropped for the Kishu army here. In my past video, I covered how Kishu's team was signaling that they would create a new token soon. Now, from their post, they never said they were creating it for sure. It was framed as more of a poll / way to get the community's opinion. But I told you that from their tweets and replies on Twitter, as well as their Telegram mod posts, that I could tell that they were actually going to create this token for sure. And I was right. Not even a week after I made that video, Kishu's team comes out with this post detailing just how the new token is planned. So let's read the post itself straight from the team here. First off, this is a very long post, and it's great to see the team taking such a detailed approach to informing the community about this. So let's just start at the beginning here. We have received many requests through the past few months for token burn, doing buybacks, acquiring new influencers, and more to increase Kishu market stability. Doing these things at scale and consistently in a meaningful way is especially challenging. Therefore, we wanted to get feedback and idea that can help turn things around and fast. Okay, so if you haven't been on the Telegram or the Twitter, people are constantly mentioning buybacks, one buyback. So that's what they're referencing here. A few community members have proposed the idea of creating a sidekick token, not a replacement token, that can support Kishu's growth even in a down market as we have seen since June. The purpose of a new token would be to have unique tokenomics that tie back to Kishu. That would essentially mean a percentage of the new token's sell transactions to do the following. Okay, so the last part is important to note. So this isn't just another token. This will directly help, according to them, Kishu through its tokenomics system, especially with the sell transactions. And the way they plan on doing it is these two right here. So Kishu price stability used to market buy Kishu and consistently burn or add liquidity to Uniswap for better price impact, community votes on certain cadence. Okay, so they're saying that some of the transaction fee for the new token will go to buying Kishu and then burning it. So then the price of Kishu actually goes up. And the second one here, Kishu operating costs, Kishu awareness, team development costs, etc. So they're saying that part of the transaction fee will also go to this, like marketing efforts, just like the huge Times Square thing they had or the Dubai thing, marketing campaign that they had. Also, I love this picture. Like Kishu's team is very, very good at making funny graphics. I love seeing what they come up with because they are very funny here. First of all, we need to emphasize that Kishu will stay. Kishu is our main token and focus. Okay, that's nice to see because I know a lot of people, when they heard the news last week, they were concerned that Kishu would kind of go to the side and they start just marketing this new token and Kishu would be left behind. So it's good to see that they emphasize that they're going to keep Kishu as their main token in the ecosystem. So how does it work? The new one is to work side by side like Kishu Sidekick. Okay, they covered that before. Sales tax, they included that before. Finer details will be disclosed later on, so it's just token names. So they haven't announced the token, so don't buy any tokens yet thinking it's the Kishu one, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be scamming all over the place on Twitter and Telegram with fake tokens and saying it's the official one. Some information we can release, however, is launch date. During this week, the exact launch date will be announced on the official Telegram, Discord, and Twitter. Okay, so that's big. So stay up to date. I'll also post a video when they actually post the specific launch date. Supply, so a lot less supply than Kishu. Percent of redistribution, 1%. Percent of sales tax, 15%. Okay, so that is a big sales tax, and I guess that is kind of the point, is to support Kishu. So I guess that's why they have a 15% tax. Applies in just sales, and all proceeds go towards Kishu growth. For sale, yes. Airdrop, no. So no airdrop. ERC20. Is there a pre-sale? No pre-sale. Is there a Kishu replacement? No. Will it create a new Telegram group? No. So they're going to keep the same Telegram group. That's important to note. Is there a buyback? Yes. Shortly after the launch of the new token and more afterwards. They explain a buyback here. Can you track it? Sure. Another great token picture. Kishu definitely has that down pat. So what will be the utility of this token? Okay, so this is important to read too, because you don't want to just have another dummy token kind of, and they do seem to have some ideas here on actual uses for this token. So Kishu create NFTs. New token can be staked alongside Kishu to farm NFTs. That's kind of cool. Kishu for governance, so a governance kind of token. Kishu learn, gamified learning ecosystem with a new token as a reward for learning. So that's kind of cool. Estimated release date Q4 2021, so that's kind of far away. Kishu play, a video game ecosystem, so that's Q1 2022, so that's also a little far away as well. We'll announce the launch in the official Kishu Telegram group the moment it's live. Okay, so they're pretty much saying that they're going to announce it in the Telegram group, which they put before. So personally, I'm very excited for this announcement. I really think this could help the Kishu community grow. I mean, if we take a look at the Kishu chart here, Kishu's obviously been on a downtrend, like they said, for a month or more. So it'd be great to have something else to kind of get more attention back onto Kishu. And it really depends, obviously, like anything else in crypto, how it's launched and marketed. It's all up to the team, whether they do a good job or not. But Kishu's team has been very strong so far, so I have faith in them. But we still don't know the full details yet, so I wanted to hear what you all think. Are you excited for this? Do you not want this? I've seen both ways, so let me know in the comments of this video. I'd love to read them and see everyone's opinion. And so that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this news and research. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out. And we will see you in the next episode.